Hello, good people of DSST. It's really good to see you here, especially at the end of the year. Today we're going to be talking about how to use this Phet sim right here. So, the first things first, you can drag and drop all these different components off of here. We got batteries, resistors, switches, and if you scroll down, there's even fuses down here that we'll talk about later this week. And once more is even if you get on the symbols, you can actually you can switch between the icons and the symbols right here. So right here you can see that the battery is represented by that large line followed by the small line. And so when you take your pictures, we want to see you in these symbols because we want to see the lights lit up and everything like that. But don't be afraid if you're confused on what the schematics that we have posted are. Feel free to switch back and make sure you've got everything just right. From there, once you get your components in, you can connect things with wire. And so these wires are really nice. They snap right onto the spot where we need them. And then we can just drag and drop them onto the place that we want them to be. And so, for example, right here, if we make a full loop with 3 wires, you can see we have electrons moving through the battery, up through the filament in the light bulb, causing it to be bright, causing it to move all the way, and then moving all the way back. Once more, which give us control over when or when not things turn on, right? So here we have an open switch, and so we don't have any current moving. All right, and so the last thing I really want to talk about is how we can take measurements. As scientists, we want to be able to model simulations and then take measurements from them. And so we have 2 tools at our disposal, an ammeter and a voltmeter. How much voltage is being used, right? So here we can see we have a 9-volt battery. And if you take both of these ends, you can just kind of double check that to see like what the voltage is, 9 volts between the negative side and the positive side of the battery. And the other really useful tool we have is our current, and this is often called an ammeter. And the current you can measure current just by putting and move to see where it is. And so here you can see that the current's 0.9 amps the whole time. And so as you change your circuits, as you build a bunch of different models, make sure you use those tools so that you can always double check what your answers are and everything like that. That's all for this one. Thank you for watching. Keep up the good work.